This is court case number 9339, LaShawn Redvine versus Gabriel Ortega. We have Mr. Redvine at the podium. Mr. Officer Ortega, can you please come to the podium as well, sir?
All right, guys. Buckle up for a courtroom clash you won't want to miss. In today's case, we're diving deep into an explosive encounter between a police officer and an inmate, Mr. Redvine. Accusations of racial profiling, lies, and police misconduct take center stage. Trust me, this case is packed with jaw-dropping twists. Let's see who walks away with justice.
Now, we're going to start with you, Mr. Redvine, since you are the plaintiff in this case. You are seeking punitive damages against Officer Ortega in the amount of $25,000 for pain and suffering, and also you're requesting that all charges against you be dropped. Am I reading that correctly?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, sir, do you mind telling us what happened?
Tension builds as Officer Ortega defends his actions, but something doesn't add up. He claims Mr. Redvine confessed to a robbery and kidnapping, yet the video footage tells a different story. So, why the cover-up? Could the officer be hiding something? This moment raises serious questions about trust in the justice system.
Still don't even know what I did. Said he's had some kind of witness.
So, I'm sorry, sir. You said that you were accused of a crime and you don't know what the crime was?
No, he never told me. I'm here. I don't know what I'm here for.
Okay. So you're telling this court that you got arrested, but you don't know what your charges are? Is
No,
that what you're
I didn't get no paperwork. I didn't get nothing.
I mean, that's not true, sir.
Okay. Officer Ortega, can you tell us what happened?
Yes, sir. We got a call.
Mr. Redvine opens up, revealing his perspective on the situation. His emotional plea about racial profiling hits hard. But how do we separate the truth from the emotions? Is this truly about justice, or is there a deeper, systemic issue at play? This moment could change the way we see police interactions in public spaces.
Called me things that I should not say in this courtroom.
Okay.
And that's unacceptable.
Okay, you said something about, if I heard you correctly, you said something about a witness?
Yes, we got a call from the suspicious woman at the park. I spoke to her. She pointed to this man, Mr. Redvine, and I did my job as a police officer, and I made the arrest.
I understand that. Let me ask you a question, sir. How did you get to the correlation of a man sitting on a park bench with his eyes closed, being suspicious, to...
Officer Ortega's story crumbles under scrutiny. He can't provide any solid evidence or witnesses, and now he's caught in a lie about Mr. Redvine's confession. How many more officers are out there making claims without accountability? This case is quickly spiraling into a damning indictment of police misconduct.
To the robbery and the kidnapping?
Yes.
Now, you said that this took place in the interview room?
Yes, sir.
Are you aware of the fact that the interview room has cameras in it at all times?
Yes, sir.
Are you aware of the fact that once you enter that room, the cameras come on automatically?
Yes, sir.
Are you aware of the fact that the cameras in that room record everything that goes on when people are inside?
Of course, sir.
Are you aware that I have a monitor right here?
Yes, sir.
Are you aware of the fact...
The judge is starting to lose patience with Officer Ortega, and rightfully so. The officer's inability to back up his statements with proof is appalling. How much longer will this go on? The tension between the law and its enforcers is palpable. Who will take responsibility for what happened to Mr. Redvine?
He looks very respectful, almost quiet, mouse-like.
Sir, that he put on a show for the cameras. When I was at the park with him...
I don't see much of a show. As a matter of fact, the only person that's talking is you.
Sir, when I was at the park arresting him, he was disrespectful to me. He spit on me.
He's asking, is he asking you what?
He knew there was cameras in there. He's putting on a show.
A turning point in the case. Now we're watching Officer Ortega attempt to justify his actions with flimsy excuses. It's becoming clear. He's in over his head. The courtroom is starting to shift, and Mr. Redvine's side is looking more credible by the minute. This is a key moment in the fight for justice.
There's something must be wrong with the audio,
Jeff, you
sir.
could turn it off.
I don't see the part where he confessed because maybe you guys cut off the video. I don't know what happened, sir. But he
Sir,
confessed
did
in
you
that
not
room.
see the video like us, the rest of us?
I don't think we watched the whole video, sir.
Did you not say that he confessed to the robbery and kidnapping?
He did, sir.
He didn't confess it there.
I think the audio must have cut off or the video must have cut off because he did confess to me in that
He
in that
confessed
room.
to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
It's now undeniable. Officer Ortega lied under oath. His attempt to cover up his mistakes with more lies is unraveling fast. But here's the question: how far does this go? If this officer is lying in court, what else has he hidden from the public eye? The trust between citizens and law enforcement is being tested right before our eyes.
His side of what he looks like. This is not me taking his side because he's black. I'm concerned about what you said. You stopped him because he's black. That was the first thing that you said. Am I wrong in saying that?
He matched the description, sir. He matched the description.
No, you said, look at him, he's black. That seems to be the only reason why you stopped Mr. Redvine. He's sitting on a park bench as a black man, minding his own business.
The judge is starting to see through the officer's facade. With the video footage contradicting everything he claimed, things are looking bleak for Officer Ortega. But could this be the start of real change, or is this just another isolated incident that will be swept under the rug? The stakes are higher than ever now.
Did you confess to him about that?
No, sir. I don't even know what I was arrested for.
He thought he was under the impression of rape and robbery. Was there a rape
He's a
involved
criminal.
also?
Criminals will lie.
Criminals will lie.
Yes.
You arrested him for looking suspicious. You impounded something that was not even evidence of something that was stolen.
And matching the description.
Matching the description is not enough for an arrest. Officer Ortega, you should know better than that. Yes, matching the description.
The room goes silent as the judge confronts Officer Ortega with the facts, his lies, the contradictions, and the lack of evidence. There's no way out now. This is the kind of moment that makes or breaks a case. The law is supposed to be fair, but when lies take center stage, who will stand up for what's right?
That was not me on that video.
I made my decision. Mr. Redvine,
Yes, Your Honor.
this court finds that the damages that you suffered and the pain, the $25,000,
Yes, Your Honor.
Officer Ortega will be paying you that out of his paycheck. The city will not be paying for that. He's going to be held responsible for that. Jeff, I want you to take Officer Ortega into custody for contempt of court for lying in this courtroom.
Sir,
Mr. Redvine is awarded $25,000 in damages, and Officer Ortega is taken into custody. It's a victory for justice, but at what cost? The emotional toll on Mr. Redvine is clear, and the officer's career is shattered. This moment raises a tough question. How many others are out there, suffering in silence because of the same systemic issues?
Mr. Redvine, sir,
Yes, Your Honor.
on behalf of the Mango Park District Court, as the citizens of Mango Park, I want to issue a formal apology. What happened to you was a disgrace, and it will be dealt with. I can assure you of that. That is not who we are as a community. That is not who we are as a court system. That is not who we are as a police department. Again, I do apologize. Court
Thank
is
you, Your
adjourned.
Honor.
The courtroom's tension shifts as the judge's final words seal Officer Ortega's fate. His lies have caught up with him, and now he faces the consequences. But the bigger picture is still unresolved. Will this case mark the beginning of real reform, or will it be another page in a long history of unaccountable police behavior? What started as a simple case of racial profiling has turned into a landmark moment for accountability. Officer Ortega is held responsible, and Mr. Redvine is finally getting the justice he deserves. But this case is a reminder that we must continue to hold those in power accountable. If you think this case was a turning point, hit like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more courtroom drama like this.